Hi Amira, thank you so much for sending me a hamper from Honey and Beauty. I heard all of these are organic and natural ingredients, and everyone knows that I'm a huge sucker for anything organic, so thank you so much for sending them across. Some things which caught my eye was the henna lotion. I tried them out, they smell really good, and the texture and everything is super smooth, so thank you so much. This will come of use. Forehead baldness serum, this is something very new to me. I've never come across this, so this is quite interesting. And there is charcoal soap. I've never come across this as well, so thank you. There are so many products, I just can't wait to try them out. But anyways, I just wanted to congratulate you and thank you, and yes, all the very best. Loads of love from me, and yeah, can't wait to try them. Bye.